I'm talking about ocean see-through marble flowing light up as I like my dro. Niggas holding grudges, but I'd rather hold their money though. She be paying attention, that's why she be paying with no problem. Penetrate all in her, and she take that dick like it's no problem. She's a problem solver, running out of problems. She ran into me cause she's a money maker, obvious. State of residence is Texas, but you know that's obvious. Got away with words, I slang them hoes like drugs, obvious. Steady making money, I just like to state the obvious before I get it shit and bring it back like Jesus, obvious. Got you thinking rich, so you gon' obviously see yourself legit. Ain't stopping shit, but don't know how you got it. I wouldn't worry about it, got no worries, just know that I got it. I'm not for everybody. My money came with a wire, it's not for everybody. My passion came with desire, I don't fuck with everybody. My ambition say no retire, I'm not a tired body. Go to the massage place, let her rub on my body. Think about a Maserati, real recognize real, I'm a real somebody. Affluent influence, pull up with the 4 and 10, nigga exercising, pulling up. It's not logical how I got it, but I made it logical that I deserve the shit, and I made it obvious. I took a stand above, so I don't understand no more. You got me, I don't fuck with everybody. My energy is OG and private, it's not for everybody. Stay high, period, my grandma legit. Ocean see-through marble flowing light up as I like my dro. Niggas holding grudges, but I'd rather hold their money though. She be paying attention, that's why she be paying with no problem. Penetrate all in her, and she take that dick like it's no problem. She's a problem solver, running out of problems. She ran into me cause she